imagine a world beyond the limits of what we've mapped. A world where the edges of the Earth aren't as finite as modern maps suggest, and where lands hidden by ice, snow, or secrecy might exist just beyond our knowledge. Today, we're journeying into the mysterious realms beyond the ice wall. We'll discuss ancient maps, explorers' accounts, and cultural myths that all hint at lands unknown to most of us. Stay with me, because the final piece of evidence might just surprise you and challenge everything you thought you knew about our world. Our story begins with maps created long before modern satellites. Some medieval and Renaissance charts show lands that seem to exist beyond the polar regions. The most famous examples are the Piri Reis and Orontius Phineas maps, which depict extensive coastlines and continents that don't align with our current geography. These maps predate many modern expeditions, suggesting someone knew about these regions long before technology allowed for accurate measurement. Were these maps copied from even older sources, or were they based on first-hand knowledge? Scholars continue to debate this, but the mysteries remain compelling. Let's fast forward to the 20th century. Admiral Richard Byrd, a celebrated American explorer, claimed to have flown beyond the South Pole and reported seeing unusual terrain and vast expanses of land. His diaries describe conditions and land formations that just don't match conventional Antarctic mapping. Supporters of hidden realm theories suggest Byrd might have glimpsed entrances to unknown continents or even inner Earth regions, while mainstream historians often interpret Byrd's reports as typical exploration observations. Alternative researchers see them as tantalizing clues to lands yet unseen by the general public. It's not just explorers. Ancient myths also hint at worlds beyond the ice and snow. In Norse sagas, realms exist at the very edges of the known world, inhabited by giants, gods, and other powerful beings. Many cultures describe lands that are cold, unreachable, or home to mysterious peoples. These stories could be purely allegorical, but some researchers argue they preserve a collective memory of lands that were once accessible. Could there be a kernel of truth hidden deep within these legends? The idea of hidden lands is also supported by some peculiar environmental observations. We know that the polar ice sheets conceal deep subglacial lakes, mountain ranges, and valleys completely isolated from the surface. Scientists have discovered entire ecosystems thriving under miles of ice, which suggests that life and complex geological features exist unseen. Some theorists take this a step further, proposing that larger land masses or even entrances to other realms could be hidden in these remote regions. While conventional science remains cautious, these discoveries certainly fuel the imagination. Historical trade and exploration records also contain some puzzling details. Ancient Chinese, Polynesian, and Viking navigators often spoke of lands far beyond their normal range. There are accounts of ships disappearing without explanation while heading in these directions. Mainstream interpretations usually cite storms or navigational errors, but others suggest these accounts hint at regions unknown to the wider world, possibly lying beyond ice walls or hidden by seasonal changes. Looking closer at some of these old maps, they sometimes depict strange polar continents complete with rivers, mountains, and even cities. If these maps were based on real observation, how did ancient explorers get such detailed knowledge? The accuracy in some coastline details is striking, and at times seems far beyond the technology of the period. These anomalies encourage speculation that the edges of our planet were once more thoroughly explored, or that knowledge was preserved from civilizations we no longer recognize. Theories about inner and outer realms expand on this idea even further. Some researchers propose that the Earth is not just a simple sphere but contains multiple layers or realms within it, accessible through hidden entrances at the poles. Legends from Tibetan, Mongolian, and Siberian cultures speak of inner lands where advanced beings or civilizations existed, sometimes called Agartha or Shambhala. While these ideas are definitely controversial, their consistent presence across many independent cultures raises questions about a shared, hidden history. Even astronomical observations might provide additional clues. Ancient star charts and celestial navigation records suggest that some explorers were able to map regions in ways that imply access to lands not commonly known. The alignment of certain ancient structures with polar stars or solstices may also hint at a deeper understanding of geography than we've previously given them credit for. This combination of maps, myths, and exploration logs forms a complex puzzle that has not yet been fully solved. So, why does any of this matter today? Well, if lands beyond the ice truly exist, or once existed, it would completely challenge our understanding of exploration, history, global geography, and even human civilization itself. It forces us to question how knowledge is recorded, preserved, or suppressed. Are there still regions of Earth that remain completely unvisited by humans? Could the polar ice be hiding the remnants of ancient civilizations, entire ecosystems, or natural formations still unknown to science? While these questions remain speculative, they inspire curiosity and drive us to keep searching. As we look at all these pieces together, a fascinating picture begins to emerge. From ancient maps to explorers, diaries, and myths from diverse cultures, a pattern points to a world that may extend far beyond what our textbooks tell us. The hidden realms beyond the ice wall may not be immediately verifiable, but the consistent references across time and place suggest that humans have always been aware of the possibility that the known world is not the full world. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown and want to uncover more incredible hidden histories, make sure to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. What other unknown worlds or hidden realms should we explore next? The ideas presented in this video are for informational and entertainment purposes. Interpretations of ancient evidence are speculative, and viewers are encouraged to research and explore further on their own.